In the symphony of wellness, let us embark on a quest to banish the shadows of lower back pain and embrace the harmonious melody of a pain-free existence. Our journey begins with the mystical powers of omega-3 fatty acids, the guardians of joint health. Feast upon the treasures of the sea, indulge in the wisdom of walnuts, and let flaxseed be your guide. Behold the fortress of calcium, the stalwart defender of bone strength and resilience. Let dairy products and leafy greens be the bricks and mortar, forging an unyielding stronghold against the trials of discomfort. As the sun rises on our journey, embrace the golden rays that gift us with vitamin D, the celestial conductor of bone health. Bathe in the sunlight or partake in the fortified feast of cereals to kindle the fire within. In the heart of our quest lies the magnesium oasis, where almonds and spinach spring forth, bestowing the magical essence of magnesium. Let these earthly treasures be the elixir that nurtures and restores. And now let the antioxidant symphony envelop you in its celestial embrace. Berries and cherries, the virtuosos of health, dance together in a cosmic ballet, warding off the malevolent forces of inflammation. In the grand tapestry of well-being, these nourishing elements compose the magnum opus of lower back pain relief. Feast upon the bounties, dance in the sunlight, and let the symphony of healing resonate within.